out in nature, and this creek, last time I saw it, was a tiny little creek, and right now it's the winter time, and it's amazing how big it is. It's nice to see, actually, and there's a lot of snow in the ground. I'm in Willamette, Oregon. I enjoy being by the river and just watching the river flowing. It brings really good energy. Still love the snow and just being outside. I haven't been able to spend much time outside, so I'm very excited just to be outside a little bit. I just drove about 3 hours to get to a friend's house right now, and right here the air is fresh, the river is flowing. What else could you need, right? It's beautiful. Hi everyone, just enjoying being outside a little bit, and I just want to say, no matter what you do today, get out there, because I missed it. I missed being out in nature and just hanging around and walking around and being surrounded by trees, and it is good to get out there. Hope you have a beautiful weekend and a lovely Saturday, and see you soon.